Hi pilots, welcome to this new tutorial for Special Airwing. Today we're going to demonstrate how to do a perfect carrier landing with the X-47B combat drone. This maneuver is pretty challenging, but if you follow these instructions and with a bit of practice, you'll be able to do it perfectly. First of all, you must select the carrier page on your MFD. In green, you can see the carrier and approach entry point. The green triangle in the center represents your aircraft. First, let's arrive at the entry point at 2,000 feet and 200 knots. Maintain your trajectory to keep the carrier straight ahead of you. At this point, you're in a good position to start your approach. Now, start your descent. Activate the automatic throttle and set it at 140 knots. Once your trajectory and speed are stabilized, you can deploy your landing gear and arresting hook. Keep an eye on the two purple markers on the MFD. They indicate your position relative to the perfect approach axis and slope, as with an ILS. Let's see what happens if you are too high. The marker goes down to indicate that the approach slope is below you. The same logic applies to the approach axis. Let's deviate to the left and see what happens. Okay, let's come back to our ideal approach axis and slope and keep the purple markers as centered as possible. Continue to maintain your aircraft on the ideal axis and slope. As you get closer to the carrier, you'll be able to see the arresting cables. Now, using the HUD, aim at the cables with your speed vector. Continue until touchdown and don't flare. Your landing gear is robust and designed to absorb the shock. Great! Now it's your time to practice, and remember, don't expect to get it perfect on your first attempt. Perfection will come with training. If you have any questions, contact us on the Special Airwing Pilots Club on Facebook.